obviously we have this event called MMX every year here in Youngstown, Ohio, and we bring this global community of additive manufacturing experts here in Humtown's hometown.
Right.
And so you have been one of the best members over the years, just somebody we can always rely on to give us honest feedback about what's going on, a partner, a co-conspirator, as it were, bringing and attracting resources into the region to kind of lift the tide for everyone here. And what do you think you get out of being involved with America Makes?
The longer we've been integrated with community integration and our relationships that we have, the more that we found the power of really truly being better together. We've had opportunities to be involved with projects that are real and relational, and it's given us the chance to realize other opportunities in other additive disciplines and the combination of hybriding those together. So last year we championed a company with robotic inspection. We're very excited this year to bring a whole new realm of what it can do for tooling, for vacuum forming, and for reaction injection molding. And who would ever think that, except for sand? But without the power of AMClad and realizing integrated materials, what they can do, to generate the power of next. I always come excited more to give than yes, you do receive, but bringing these co-sponsorships in and elevating them to what can happen in the power of industry with additive manufacturing is what I get really excited about.
You said something really cool just now, but also you've said this before. You're all about building a community of practice in additive around you and bringing others in to learn alongside you. And that's remarkable. Do you think that your relationship with America Makes as a member has helped you do more of that and created new pathways for you?
Absolutely. I feel like when I walk in here, it's like a family. It's a family network, a family team of people that realize that, even with a lot of the analysts still out there in the publicly traded companies for additive, is that we aren't going to quit. We are going to commercialize every discipline, and that we will help each other in the power of being better together and building that bridge to commercialization.
So we're here because the next members meeting and exchange is happening August 6th through 7th, 2024. Humtown is a sponsor again this year. What makes you come back every year to MMX and sponsor this event?
The excitement of connecting, other people in the interdisciplinary parts of additive manufacturing. Getting a chance to walk around and see. I think a lot of times that our human potential and our energy is invested in trying to be better than somebody else instead of doing the snowflake version of who you are. And you're different. It may appear to be better, but the energy, when it's all focused on being different and doing different bigger, is where the true power of additive manufacturing that will take us to Mars and beyond will happen from.
Unleashing human potential is exactly what we're talking about.
Exactly.
The transformation that Humtown has experienced using additive technology is, it's stuff for the history books, right?
Yeah.
And it took a visionary leader like yourself to recognize the opportunity and then show up and share what you're learning with others. Do you feel that the MMX event every year gives you an opportunity to share and grow as an organization by being in relationship with others?
It gives us the a wider spectrum, when we connect at that level, and to be able to have our team be able to see every day new nuances and differences. Like just the other day, we're starting to do, and I get very excited about the art, possibilities. Like it was at least like a 14-foot alligator that will be, and it was because of the power of transformation of being able to infiltrate with these high strength polymers. And although some of the things in the past have been, we did both the bobbleheads for the 2016 election, having nothing to do with politics, but to say it took 14 hours to print the body and it took 250 hours to print the head. And that's what we're continually doing is analyzing what is going to be the next fastest, speed in the technology so that it can commercialize.
So it can be useful to more people in more places and more applications.
Right. And also the application during COVID to print face shields with it.
Absolutely.
And we're still following that up, only in a different perspective. So it can go, from science to construction and many other parts of the spectrum.
And hardware and software, post-processing, design. You get it all here at MMX 2024. And you guys have been an amazing host for us every year. And we're looking forward to seeing you again this year.
It's the World's Fair of Additive Manufacturing. We'll see you there.
See you there.